The sea is calm. The waves are getting bigger. The ocean is full of life. The tide is coming in. The tide is going out. We walked along the beach. The ship crossed the ocean. Marine life is very diverse. Plastic pollution is a serious problem. Scientists continue to explore the deep sea. Have you ever seen the ocean? What is your favorite beach? Why is the sea important? Would you like to become a marine biologist? What animals would you like to see underwater? How can people help protect the oceans?